Do you get tired of cleaning the leaves out of your cement cracks and sometimes ants coming up through there like me? I'm gonna show you a quick trick where you're never gonna have to deal with that again. Let's get after it. So as you can see here, my gap from my garage to my driveway just does not look that great. You've got ants that are coming through, there's some weeds, and just a lot of gunk and leaves. So what I'm gonna do is show you guys how to bridge that gap, make that look really nice and clean. All right, so what I'm doing here first is I'm just taking this garden shovel and I'm just gonna get all the gunk and gross stuff and just pull out of this gap. So just gonna pull this all up, and this is the stuff that they put in there with the original home. It's just kind of a filler. It's been in there for a long time, and I'm just gonna get this stuff out of here. I'm gonna go across the entire driveway here and pull all this stuff out. All right, now that I got all that cleaned out, I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up real quick, sweep it up, make it look good, and we'll get back to you. All right, so what I've got now is just an old pool noodle that I have from my house. And what I'm gonna do is essentially just cut the same width that I have here for my crack on my driveway there. And I'm gonna actually use this as filler to fill in where that board was that I pulled out. They have this exact same type of material at your Home Depot or your Lowe's that you can purchase for, I don't know the cost of it, but I actually can just use this pool noodle that I have. So I'm gonna actually use this and just put it in there as the filler instead of going out and purchasing that. So you can do whatever you'd like, either get your pool noodle for cheaper or go buy that material, but I've decided to use this pool noodle instead. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this, cut that material out, put it in there as a filler, show you how I do that as I go. Here we go. All right, now I just go ahead, take that piece that I just did, and then I'm just literally just gonna push it down in the crack. Just like that, it goes in nice. You don't have to have it perfect because you're gonna wanna jam all that stuff in there as you go. All right, so I've got my first two pieces in, all the way down to here. I'm getting my last piece in, and a little bit left there at the end. It's about an inch deep or so. And I've got that finished. Once I get my third piece in, we're gonna go ahead and start the caulking. I've got this Scylla Pro Select self-leveling sealant that I'm gonna put in there, gray. I'll show you how to do that. So we'll get this one put in, and we'll get going from there. All right, now we're to the point where we're gonna start caulking. I've got all of my feeler in the gap, the cement gap there. So I've got kind of just a paint stick as a leveler to kind of help keep it level, make sure it's where it needs to be. And then obviously some paper towels if I make a mess. And my caulk gun I've got here, it's just the HDX. It's a 29 ounce smooth rod caulk gun. So I'll put those in the description if you need to. So we're gonna just start caulking here and have you guys watch as we go. All right, so I'm putting in my second tube of caulk. My first tube got me all the way to here. It's looking really good. It's nice and level. And so I just wanted to show you one quick thing as well, is when you put your tubes in, there's a seal in here, so you're just gonna wanna pop that seal like that, and then put your tube on. All right, so we're gonna flip that over, and now get going with our second tube, and start filling this up. So I've finished doing all of my caulking, and it's still a little tacky. Not quite dry yet, but I just want to show you what it looked like in the morning after it's all dried up and after I had finished it. So take a quick look. I've done the gap here, and then I actually kind of redid the spot over by my sidewalk as well towards my front door. turned out really well. So hopefully you'll be able to use this video and do it yourself as well, and have a great gap filler for your driveway to your garage. So like and subscribe.